Johnson Street Bridge is in the process of being raised. Please exit bridge beyond the gate.
Yan. So, naglalakad na tayo pupuntang church. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Appreciate natin kasi maaraw. Pero, huwag kayong magpauto guys. Kahit maaraw malamig. Mahangin. And yun yung kalaban dito kasi medyo malakas yung hangin. Pero in a way, blessing kasi ang sarap tuloy maglakad. Kasi parang kahit maglakad ka ata ng ilang milya dito, hindi ka papawisan. So naglalakad na tayo punta sa church. Usually pag Sunday, naglalakad lang talaga kami kasi ito na yung pinaka-date namin. Guys, ang tapang na talaga namin. So proud. Imagine 1 layer lang ng damit. Guys, kasi sobrang achievement siya sa akin kasi ginawin talaga ako. Pero, speaking of ulan, i-relate lang namin kay God. Kami na-appreciate namin na how He designed yung nature in a way na nagre-relate siya in our life. For example, diba? Parang we came here during fall season. Fall season is a time of shedding. Diba? Leaving your, parang yung mga old leaves mo magpo-fall down and then nag-winter. So that's the time to slow down.
Malamig.
And then maging idle to just take it slow.
Take it slow.
And now as we enter the springtime, it gives us new beginnings, new hope, new strength. Kasi we had this time of rest, we had this time of shedding. And then one of the things that we really appreciated is during the fall season when we were shedding, when the nature was shedding leaves and all that, we were also being shed off dun sa mga old
Slowly but surely.
old mindsets namin, old life namin. Of course, we have to leave our old life behind and start anew. And then during those winter times when things were idle, that was the time then na nag-sink in sa amin na kami na lang. Kasi our family is in US and then kami na lang talaga.
Tapos kami na lang talaga. Tapos hindi rin kami sanay ng umuulan kasi galing nga kami sa desierto.
Yeah, and tiis talaga kasi minsan sobrang ulan, snow, pero kailangan pumasok. So
Tapos ang
wala kang choice,
aga-aga
basta.
gigising ka, syempre kailangan mo pumasok.
Kailangan mo maligo guys, ang lamig-lamig tapos maliligo.
Sobrang lamig, -5.
Pero in fairness, ang tapang na talaga namin ngayon. Pero speaking of those changing seasons, we learn to appreciate yung beauty of every season. The beauty that it brings, yung timing ni Lord. And now na nag-bloom na ulit yung mga flowers and plants, we're just really excited to see yung mga new beginnings that God will bring into our lives, not just to ours, but even to everyone. Diba? And it reminds us yung beauty ng time, yung design ni God in our lives, and to be reminded na there's always a good time for everything, diba?
Perfect timing naman lagi yung timing ni Lord. Kaya nakaka-bless din talaga na iba't iba yung season natin sa buhay. Kaya nga sabi mo na merong fall, may winter, may spring, may summer. Depende na lang kung nasang season ka ngayon.
Assess mo din. Kasi baka naman you're looking for growth right now, pero ang season pala ni Lord for you is nasa fall. Like,
Okay,
assess mo
yeah.
din, are there things that's hindering you from growing? Baka kailangan mo nang mag-shed, baka kailangan mo munang unload ng mga backpacks or mga things na hindi naman necessary for you to bring into the new season. Baka kasi hindi ka pa ready. Or the same thing na parang katulad nung pag-shed, na you will never actually grow and reach to your new form or yung parang in a tree kung hindi ka mag-shed kasi it's a necessary part of growth. So yung pruning, yung hardship, that's part of the journey.
Galing talaga ni Lord, no? Parang niya dinesign. Parang lahat marirelate mo yun.
Yeah, it's true. And if you look at the tree, gusto ko nga balikan yung mga puno na pinicturean ko during winter na sobrang dry.
nagkakaroon na siya ng konting leaves.
Oo, ang cute. Tapos ito pa pala, another realization. So, lagi kasi ako naglalakad papuntang post office. So, medyo marami akong na-realize while walking, no? So, yung puno na palagi ko nadadaanan, during nakakonto ako kasi orange siya, nung during fall, tapos
Tapos nawala
nalaga
na
siya,
kalbo na.
tapos mukha siyang dry and all that. Tapos nag-pink siya nung the next day, nung nag-start yung spring. So, parang, ala, tumutubo na. Sobrang happy ko. Tapos, nung pumasok na naman ako the next week, nawala na naman yung pink.
Nawawala ka siya, tapos babalik.
Oo. So parang eto lang din na-realize ko, no? Na parang during the time na nag-grow ka, it's okay for you to have moments na parang feeling mo nag-fall apart ka na naman. Diba? Na parang, Lord, I'm trying na maging okay na mag-grow na
Pero may perfect timing, tsaka may perfect
Yeah.
season for that.
And I want to go and see ulit. Kasi everyday ko siya nadadaanan eh. Makita yung tree na yon in its perfect full shape.
Siguro sa spring or summer, ang ganda na nun.
Oo. Parang minsan kasi naisip ko na parang nandito, ala Lord, excited na kami to see what's next. Tapos pagdating mo dito, nag-grow ka na, pero parang, ito na naman Lord.
Yeah.
Pero it's okay pala.
Kanya-kanyang season talaga.
Oo.
Hindi naman pwedeng nasa isang season ka lang forever.
Oo. And imagine
Ano
din,
naman,
no,
yeah.
kung forever, same form lang siya all throughout. Parang, you will not see din yung
Hindi mo
different
ma-appreciate.
colors ng leaf niya.
Tsaka hindi mo siya mapapansin.
Oo, true.
Hindi mo mapapansin kung hindi siya nagbabago.
Tapos another thing pa, ang dami ko talaga na-realize when walking. Ewan ko ba? Ako lang ata yung ganun. Or siguro like, mapraning lang ako. Anyway, another pa na na-realize ko, so ito yung puno na sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba? May katabi siyang puno. So imagine, same amount of sun, same amount of rain. Siguro naman parehas lang sila ng soil kasi like, parallel lang sila sa isa't
Pero
isa.
magkaiba sila ng type.
Parehas sila, pero yung isa thriving. Yung isa nalagasan na naman. 'Di ba? So parang in life, it's easy for us to compare our journey with one another. So parang yung isa nakikita mo, Lord, growing siya, ang galing niya.
Siguro para sa akin, yung isa growing, yung isa hindi growing. Depende rin yan sa root eh. Sa ugat. Kung healthy yung ugat,
Healthy ba yung foundation mo?
healthy yung foundation mo, talagang mag-grow ka. Tsaka maganda. Pero kung hindi maayos yung foundation mo, well, stagnant ka lang. Hanggang ganun ka na lang talaga.
True. Pero yun dun pala mas masakit. Kasi, what if you are a Christian or if you are a person na doing well in your faith, doing everything else, maayos, akala mo maayos yung foundation mo. And yet, mas nakikita mo pang thriving yung
nasa
another
harap mo.
tree
Yeah.
compared to you. Masakit, diba? Pero one thing I actually realized is, kasi nga, God has a different plan for you. Of course, kahit siguro like parehas sila ng tree. I don't know kung parehas sila, like, di naman kasi ako mahilig sa nature na talagang malaman ko yung into details, no? Pero like, even if parehas sila or hindi sila parehas, it's okay kasi wala namang pressure. There will come a time na parang magkakaroon din siya talaga ng full bloom. Maybe hindi pa lang time na yun.
Hindi pa naman
And
talaga tayo.
it's a good time for you to assess then na instead of you looking at the other side, check yourself then, kasi katulad nga ng sabi ni Louie, maybe there's something wrong with your foundation. Maybe your heart is not yet right.
Yep.
Maybe hindi tama yung outlook in your life. Maybe there's something wrong with your surroundings.
Or maybe may tinuturo si Lord sa inyo na hindi nyo pa natututunan. Possible.
And don't feel bad then kasi sometimes, meron kasi tayong ganong mindset, no, na when things are not going well, maybe God is not,
Yeah.
maybe hindi good si God sa'yo or maybe God is punishing you at some point.
Naiintindihan ko na minsan nakakompare nila yung sarili
Oo.
nila sa iba. Pero yun nga, check your heart.
Oh, pero ayoko din naman nilang isipin na something is wrong with me siguro. Kaya, alam mo yun.
Hindi naman.
Like, God allows hardship in our life kasi may tinuturo pa siya. And sometimes, honestly speaking, it's not always about us.
Balik tayo dun sa season ng shedding. Baka nasa shedding season sila. Baka may mga hawak-hawak pa tayo na hindi natin mabitawan.
Tsaka, yung story mo, yun nga eh, hindi siya palaging about you. Maybe God is telling a story to someone else, pero ikaw lang yung ginagamit. Like,
Yeah.
yung life mo lang yung ginagamit. So, watch out lang din kasi there are people watching, there are people na looking at your life, and they could be inspired and they could also be motivated to go on and move forward because they see you doing it.
Yeah.
Diba? So, even in times that things don't go well, let's continue to praise. Kasi I'm confident that God is faithful. We've been through difficulties then, hardship in our lives and all that.
Lahat naman tayo.
Oo. Pero in everything, nasurpass.
Surpass talaga.
Nalagpasan. By the grace of God. Okay naman pala.
By the grace
And
of
you will look back, diba, na parang, ay, galing talaga ni Lord. Kasi parang kung ikaw yun, may suko na ako. Ayoko na. Diba? So, ayun. Check your season and appreciate it and wait for God's perfect timing. It's easy to compare, it's easy to feel down, it's easy to feel motivated. Pero if you don't keep on driving, if you don't keep on pursuing growth, if you don't keep on parang flourishing yourselves with God's word and all that, you will never see your full bloom. You will always just be stagnant, you will always be okay.
Yeah.
And God did not design us for that. Kasi imagine, even the nature, yun yung design niya. So it's the same thing na yun din yung design niya with our lives.
Paano pa tayo? Tayo yung mga anak niya.
Exactly. So, ayun lang.